Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today we're making a popular Jamaican breakfast, cornmeal porridge. I like to have mine with crackers and butter, but hard-boiled bread, fritters, fried dumplings are all popular accompaniments. For this recipe you'll need cornmeal, vanilla, mace, cinnamon leaf, nutmeg, white sugar, condensed milk, salt, almond essence. So let's talk about mace. Mace is that outside soft skin of the nutmeg. It has such amazing flavor and it will help to elevate your porridge. To a pan, add 5 cups of water. Add cinnamon leaves, mace, and a teaspoon of salt. Add about 5 drops of almond essence because a little goes a far way. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, to some room temperature water, add a cup of cornmeal. Whisk to remove all the lumps. Add this mixture to the boiling water of spices. As it begins to heat through, just keep whisking to prevent any lumping. Once it's heated through, cover and allow to simmer at medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. That's what it should look like. Now, go ahead and grate your nutmeg, but if you cannot find actual nutmeg, feel free to buy the already grounded nutmeg. Whisk it all. You can measure your ingredients or you just follow the ancestors. Add your sugar. Now that's a long pour of granulated sugar, but be sure to add 1/3 cup. Add 1 teaspoon, how about that, of grounded nutmeg. Whisk and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of condensed milk and simmer for another 5 minutes. And there you have it, a lovely pot of cornmeal porridge. This is so yummy. This took me right back to my days with my granny in country. And go ahead, try out this recipe, let me know how it goes, and enjoy.
Mommy made that.